Here's the scoop, guys. Earlier I tried to do a video showing myself surfing the internet and looking at the difference between Global Resorts and United.com. Well, that didn't work out very well, especially on YouTube. So I decided to print out what I actually saw and show it to you this way because it's a lot clearer and easier. So what I did originally was I just made up a trip. I said we're going from Denver to Paris, France, May 2nd through the 9th. Now this is Global Resorts. Their price is $613, and that's for a one-stop flight. Now if we look over here in United, we have the same exact thing, May 2nd through May 9th, Denver to Paris, France. It is also a one-stop flight, and their price is $1,178.60. Hopefully you can see that somewhat. And if you look back at Global, this is the price through United. So either way, you're flying United. So it's just showing you that Global, you can get a better deal through Global. The prices are better. There's way more benefits to having a Global membership. So that's all I wanted to show you. Until next time, take care.